This problem from pair of straight line, and the problem is prove that the pair of straight lines joining the origin to the other two point of intersection of the curves given by this and this, okay, will be at right angle if this. So we have to find first a pair of straight line which passes through origin and the point of intersection of these two curves. We already write these two curves. This is the first curve, this is one, and this is the second curve. If we draw a rough sketch to see the picture, let the first curve is like this. This is the first curve, curve number 1, and let this curve is the curve 2. This is curve number 2, and the point of intersection are, this is let A and this is B. We have to find the pair of straight line passes through origin, this is O, origin, and the point of intersection A and B, that is two curve. Okay, so we have to find the pair of straight line OA and OB. Then we have to show that these two are perpendicular to each other if this condition holds. Okay, now we have to find first the pair of straight line passes through origin and through the intersection A and B. How to find this? To find the pair of straight line passes through origin and AB, we make any one of this equation, either 1 or 2, make homogeneous with the help of other. Okay, so we write here, we make 1 homogeneous with homogeneous of second degree, obviously second degree with the help of 2. Okay, how to make homogeneous one with the help of 2? We first find ax square plus 2h xy plus by square by 2g. This is equal to minus x. This is from 1. Okay, and now from 2 we get a dash x square plus 2h dash xy plus by dash square, b dash y square by 2g dash. This is equal to also minus x from 2. Okay, now equating these two x, we get this is as ax square plus 2h xy plus by square by 2g, and the right side is a dash x square plus 2h dash xy plus by square by 2g dash. 2 cancel out, and we get the equation as a g dash x square plus 2h g dash xy plus b g dash y square, and in the right side we get a dash g x square plus 2h dash g xy plus b dash, this is b dash g y square, and we write it in one side. This is a g dash minus a dash g into x square plus 2 into h g dash minus g h dash into xy plus b g dash minus b dash g into y square. This is equal to 0, and let it be relation number 3, and this is the equation of pair of straight line OA and OB. Okay, and this is the required pair of straight line. This is pair of straight line. Now this pair of straight line 3 is perpendicular or at right angle if coefficient of of x square plus coefficient of y square, this is equal to 0. This is the condition of right angular or right angle pair, and this gives the coefficient of x square means this a g dash minus a dash g plus this is b g dash minus b dash g, this is equal to 0. So we get a plus b into g dash, this is equal to a dash plus b dash into g. Okay, and this is our required condition. So we prove very easily the condition that this pair of straight line at right angle. Okay, very easy problem of pair of straight line. Thank you for watching.